For Orange Park homeowners, keeping indoor spaces comfortable year-round can be a challenge. From hot, humid summers to cool, damp winters, Florida's climate puts your home's energy efficiency to the test. While windows and insulation often get the spotlight, your doors play just as important a role in controlling energy use. A poorly fitted or outdated door can leak air, let in moisture, and force your HVAC system to work harder. The solution? Professional door installation. Here's how expert installation can significantly improve the energy efficiency of your Orange Park residence. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. One of the main ways doors impact energy efficiency is through air leaks. Even small gaps between the door and its frame can let in hot, humid air during summer or allow warmth to escape during cooler months. This leads to uncomfortable drafts and fluctuating indoor temperatures. Professional installers measure, align, and seal your doors precisely. They use high-quality weather stripping, thresholds, and caulking to ensure an airtight fit. The result is a dramatic reduction in drafts, which helps maintain consistent indoor comfort without overworking your HVAC system. Proper insulation from advanced materials. Today's doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, but they only perform at their best when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that insulated cores, fiberglass or steel construction, and energy-efficient glass inserts all work as intended. For Orange Park residences, this means your doors act as effective barriers against heat transfer. In summer, cool indoor air stays inside. In winter, warmth doesn't escape. This insulation reduces the need for constant air conditioning or heating, lowering utility bills while improving comfort. Correct alignment for long-term performance. A door that is even slightly misaligned can create problems. Over time, it may sag, stick, or leave gaps along the edges, all of which reduce efficiency. Improper alignment also puts stress on hinges and locks, shortening the door's lifespan. Professional installers carefully set the door within its frame, ensuring it opens, closes, and seals smoothly. This attention to detail not only prevents energy loss but also extends the life of your door, providing long-term savings for Orange Park homeowners. Moisture and humidity control. Florida's climate brings high humidity levels that can cause older or improperly installed doors to warp, swell, or leak moisture indoors. This not only impacts comfort but can also lead to mold growth and structural damage. With professional installation, your doors are sealed to resist moisture infiltration. Many modern doors also include weather-resistant materials that hold up well against Orange Park's climate. This added protection means your home stays drier, healthier, and more energy efficient year-round. Energy-efficient glass options. If your door includes glass panels, proper installation is crucial to achieving maximum efficiency. Single-pane glass or poorly sealed inserts can cause significant heat gain and loss. Professional installers ensure that energy-efficient options, such as double-pane or low-E glass, are installed correctly. This minimizes heat transfer while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. For Orange Park residents, this means enjoying sunny interiors without the downside of higher cooling costs. Lower energy bills and greater comfort. All of these benefits add up to one important outcome: savings. By reducing drafts, improving insulation, and sealing out humidity, professionally installed doors lower your energy consumption. You'll notice the difference on your monthly utility bills, but you'll also feel it in your daily comfort. Every room in your Orange Park home will maintain a more stable temperature, creating a pleasant environment year-round. Conclusion: a smart investment for Orange Park Homes. Professional door installation is about more than just aesthetics. It's a smart investment in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term value. By eliminating air leaks, improving insulation, and ensuring proper alignment, expert installers help Orange Park homeowners reduce utility costs and enjoy more consistent indoor temperatures. If you're looking to make your home more energy efficient, Upgrading your doors with professional installation is one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take. The result is a home that looks great, feels comfortable, and saves you money for years to come.